It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas for Zulu and Zinja, with our little homes decorated, our little town. And if you come over here, there's some underneath the tree. And this is a pet shop for Zulu and Zinja. And their house, representing our house, is right there. And a candy shop in the back. Toy. Zinja, what are you doing? Are you having fun? And what are you doing, Zulu? Let me see you. I'm showing off the houses. Let's see, the continuation of the houses is a post office and a firehouse and a train station and a church and a theater in the background, a gas station, and a school. And up here are our Basenji stockings. The tri representing Zulu and Zinja, and the red-white representing graham cracker and ginger snap. And then our friend gave us this. This is graham cracker and ginger snaps ornaments. And nice. I wanted to show you Zulu and Zinja's Christmas tree. Is this not the coolest? I mean, it was Graham and Ginger's, but look at it. Look at all the ornaments. It's so cool. So check that out. And here's a beautiful globe. And then you see all of the stars lighting up our house with our Christmas. And there's a little snowman in the corner. And then our lights continue. There's a little doggy up there, a little tri. And then down here is a snow globe. How cool is that? Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas from Zulu and Zinja and Basenji Adventures. Thanks for coming on this journey.